Instructions for Holiday Sales Summary. So go ahead and open the attached workbook, and I will also show you the preview, the end results. So this is one sample version of the completed assignment. I will, in the instructions, do a different version, and then yours can be a completely different version. You decide what you'd like to do with your own creative style. So let's begin. So there's three categories in this Miss Lexi's Baked Goods: cookies, pies, and cakes. And what we need to do is create formulas that will take the price and multiply it how many are sold. So I'm sitting in E5, and I will do a basic formula equals C5 times D5, check, and drag that down until row 11. And then I'll click in for pies, same thing, equals, and this time it'll be C14 times D14, check, and I'll drag that down. And then I'll hover down to cell E21 for cakes, and equals C21 times D21, check, and drag that down. So I will do subtotals for how many items are sold for cookies, pies, and cakes, but I don't need a subtotal for the prices because they're all different. So the quantity sold, I will do my auto sum, and it should be equal sum D5 through D11, enter. I'll come down to D19, auto sum, and it should be just the items that are related to the pies, enter. And the last section, cakes, auto sum, and cakes. Then I'll do the same for the cookies, but what I could do is go into this one and just drag it across, and I'll do the same thing for D19 and drag it across, and then one more. And if you look in the cell, it's adding E21 to E25, so that worked out. So now I need to do a little bit of formatting. So the prices, both column C and column E, should have the accounting number format. So I'm going to select this section here, and then I want to select down below under the category pies, but I need to hold Control, and then I'll select that. I'm going to let go of the Control so I can scroll down, hold Control again, and then I have all of the prices. Now with Control again, I will select for column E, scroll down a little, holding Control down, and then I can change them all at once to the accounting number format. For the quantity sold, I'm going to select the entire column and choose even down to row 29 and change it to the comma number style, and you will notice it does give you the comma, but it also gives you a decimal 2 places. I'm going to decrease that twice. All right, so now we need the total quantity sold and the total dollar value. So if I were to do a total and add these, I would end up adding the individual cakes and then the subtotal, so I'm almost adding it twice. So what I'll do is I'll click in D29 and I will type equals, and I'll click D12 plus D19 plus D26 and enter. Now when I drag this one across, I'm going to copy this formatting style, which is the custom comma, but what I can do to fix that, so I'll just drag it across, is just go into E29 and just click the accounting format. So now it's time to get into the formatting, and you can do what you like with the cell styles for the title and the subtitle, and you're centering it to column E, and I'm going to do a couple of things just to show you, so hold on. So I added some colors for the title, main title, the subtitle, the column row headings, and also for column A, the category cookies, pies, and cakes. And for subtotal, so these are two separate cells. So if you notice here, total sales is right aligned. So I'm going to select cookies subtotal, choose merge and center, and right align. And then I'll do the same thing for pie subtotal, merge and center, right align, and cake subtotal, merge and center, right align. Now for cookies, I'm going to select A5 to A11, and I want to merge it because right now they're all separate rows. So I'm going to select and choose merge and center. And then you can go into what's called orientation, and you could have it angled counterclockwise, clockwise. I'm going to do this one this time, vertical text. And I'll just have to make it a little wider because I can't see the C, but I'll fix that later. And the same thing with pies. I'm going to choose merge and center, and the orientation will be vertical text. And then the same thing with cakes, merge and center, and text alignment. Orientation is vertical. And then maybe I don't need it as wide because it's reading down. So what happened here, I didn't go down far enough. I should have been in this cell. So what I'm going to do is, so I'm selecting here, see how it should have been also for row 11. So I'm going to choose unmerge. And then I'm going to reselect and go all the way down to 11 and then merge in the center. And now everything fits. And I'll check pies. Pies is fine. I did that one okay. So I didn't do row 12. That's fine. Not 19. So it was just the first one that I made an error in. I should have went down to row 11 and I stopped at 10. So if that ever happens, all you have to do is unmerge and then select as much or as little as you want and then remerge in center. So that's my error there. So let's take a look at this. File, print, and it's up in the left-hand corner. It all fits in portrait, which is fine, but I'm going to go to page setup. And I'll choose margins, horizontal and vertical, header, footer, custom header, date, file name, my name, and OK, and OK. And there is my second version. And you can have anything you'd like. Thank you.